Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 26. Today we learn regular expressions. They match text patterns for search and processing. Regular expressions let you search for patterns in text instead of exact strings. The re module provides search, match, and findall for different needs. Raw strings with R prefix keep backslashes literal. Let us create Regex basics.py. Search scans the entire string for a match. It returns a match object with group and start. Match only checks the beginning. Python matches at the start, but awesome is in the middle, so it returns none. Findall returns every match as a list. We find phone number patterns and all capitalized words. \d matches digits, \w matches word characters, and \s matches whitespace. The dot matches any single character except new line. The caret anchor matches the start of a string. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Search found fox at position 16 and returned none for cat. Match worked for Python at the start. Findall extracted phone numbers and capitalized words. Metacharacters simplify matching. Patterns use character classes and quantifiers to define what to match. Groups capture parts of the match so you can extract specific pieces. Sub replaces matches and compile prepares reusable patterns. Let us create patterns and groups.py. Character classes use brackets to match specific sets. Capital A to Z matches uppercase, A to Z matches lowercase. Question mark means 0 or 1, plus means 1 or more, and star means 0 or more. Curly braces set exact repetition counts. \b is a word boundary, so we match whole numbers only. Parentheses create capturing groups. Findall returns a list of tuples when groups are used. Named groups use the p-angle bracket syntax. You access captured values by name instead of number. Sub replaces matches with new text. Compile creates a reusable pattern object for better performance. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. The question mark matched color and color, plus required at least one U, so color was excluded. Groups captured name-age pairs. Named groups extracted year, month, and day. Our mini project builds a text processing tool using everything we learned. We validate emails, extract phone numbers, and parse log files with Regex. Regex patterns handle real-world text cleanup. Let us create text processor.py. We define a list of sample emails to validate. Some are valid, some are intentionally broken. The email pattern checks for a username, @, domain, dot, and a 2+ letter extension. The phone pattern handles parentheses, dots, dashes, and plain digits. The question mark makes each separator optional. For log parsing, groups capture the date, time, level, and message separately. This lets us reformat each line. Sub replaces whitespace runs with a single space. Strip removes leading and trailing spaces. The HTML pattern matches any tag by looking for angle brackets with content inside. Sub removes them all. The summary counts valid emails, phones found, and logs parsed using the results from each section. Let us review the full code with bat. Now let us run the text processor. 3 out of 5 emails passed validation. The pattern correctly rejected bad email and the plain text. All 4 phone formats were extracted. The log parser reformatted each entry with level and message. Let us recap regular expressions. Search finds patterns anywhere in text. Match checks the start. Character classes and quantifiers control matching rules. Groups capture pieces for extraction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we cover virtual environments.